Hello guys and welcome back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. And I have a quick tutorial today on how to knit an edge that you can use for summer tops, summer tanks, sarafans. Maybe you want to use it as well for blankets, pillowcases. Uh, it's up to you. So if you want to learn how to do it, let's try it. For this agent, I'm going to cast on odd number of stitches, but if your pattern calls for even number of stitches, it's okay, you can cast even number of stitches, uh, but you're going just to knit always the last stitch, the stitch before the selvage stitch, if you're knitting as I am in rows. So here I cast on odd number, but don't worry, cast on even if you need it. And the first row, slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, I'm going always to slip it, then knit one through the back loop, then pull the yarn underneath your work, like this. Then again, knit one through the back loop and pull the loop underneath. So you don't insert a needle, not in between stitches, not in the stitch, but just simply going underneath and drawing a loop and repeat till the end. Knit one through the back loop, draw a loop, knit one and draw up a loop till the end. Knit one loop, knit one loop. Till the end. And knit the very last stitch through the back loop as well. And that's the first row. Row number 2, slip again selvage stitch, then slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, and then knit one. Repeat. Slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, knit one, slip, knit one, slip holding yarn in front, knit one, slip, knit one, slip, knit one, slip, knit one, and till the end. Knit one and knit the last stitch. If you have even number of stitches, then you slip also the last stitch and then knit your selvage stitch. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, then knit two together all the way across. So you knit stitch and that loop together. So you return the previous number of stitches that you cast on. Knit two together knit two together. And if you have even number of stitches at the end before the selvage stitch, you will have one stitch, so just knit it as I said at the beginning, and knit the selvage stitch through the back loop. So this is row number 3, and you can already see that aging. And row number 4, knit all stitches till the end of this row. Knit, knit, and the last selvage knit as well. Turn, look. So we did this round because we don't want the edge curl, and now I'm going to knit in stockinette stitch as I did it here in my example. So this is the purl round that we did, and now I'm going only knit. So on the right side I'm going to knit, and on the back side I'm going to purl. I will do it with you just to show. So this is the right side and I'm knitting. After the aging your pattern may vary, so uh, you go on knitting what you wanted, but I believe that this edge goes well with the stockinette stitch. So, and I'm on the wrong side now, slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end, and at the end knit the last stitch, selvage stitch. It can be also purl stitch. Purl, 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 and knit the last one. That's it. Now you're going to knit again and then purl, knit and purl. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, leave comments if you have questions, and stay with me if you don't want to miss more interesting and new video tutorials. Thank you again and see you soon. Bye!